Hey TinkerBlock enthusiasts! Today we're diving into one of the most fundamental skills, reading push-button input. This is where your Arduino projects start becoming interactive. Let me show you the TinkerBlock system. It's brilliant because there's no breadboard or jumper wires needed. We have our lonely binary UNO R3, the TinkerBlock Shield that plugs right on top, and the star of the show, the TK04 push-button module. The TK04 is special because it has a built-in 10 kΩ pull-down resistor and even a built-in LED that lights up when you press the button. Just plug it into any 4-pin slot on the Shield, and you're ready to go. Here's what's happening inside. When the button isn't pressed, the signal pin is pulled down to ground through that built-in resistor, giving us a low signal. When you press the button, it connects the signal pin to 5 volts, giving us a high signal. Our code is straightforward but powerful. We use digitalRead to check the button state. It returns high when pressed, low when not pressed. The serial monitor shows us exactly what's happening in real time. The key function is digitalRead_button pin. It's like asking, hey TinkerBlock, what's the voltage on pin 5 right now? If it's 5 volts, we know the button is pressed. If it's 0 volts, it's not pressed. We also use serial communication to see what's happening. Serial.begin 9600 starts the communication, and serial.println sends our messages to the computer. It's like having a conversation with your Arduino. In the main loop, we read the button state every 100 milliseconds and print it to the serial monitor. You'll see button state 0 when not pressed and button state 1 when pressed. The built-in LED on the TK04 module will also light up when you press the button. This might seem simple, but it's the foundation for everything from games to user interfaces. Once you can read a button, you can control LEDs, motors, displays, anything your Arduino can control. The beauty of the TinkerBlock system is how easy it makes prototyping. No wiring mistakes, no loose connections, just plug and play. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. Try this. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and press the button. You'll see the state change instantly and that LED will light up. It's satisfying to see your first interactive Arduino project working. This is just the beginning. Next, we'll learn about button debouncing, state change detection, and creating more complex interactions. But mastering this basic button reading is your first step into the world of interactive electronics. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials. See you in the next video.